Welcome to the tech news, and this is the news of a new task force that is actually being created. 17 tech companies are uniting for something that they call the Ransomware Task Force. And this is for a very simple reason. They kind of agreed that by actually uniting rather than actually doing separate things on each side and having each a separate way of dealing with ransomware, if we could actually unite and share our own technologies to protect and to fight ransomware, that would be, of course, much better. And I think it probably is a good idea if they work well together. Companies, what are the companies that are actually being in there? Like, what are the companies uniting together? Well, some of the big names, Microsoft, McAfee, we have Citrix, and a lot of others. It's 17 companies total. And this is kind of interesting because it will enable the maybe the task force to tackle and help more in ransomware. Ransomware is still the number one problem, and it's not even getting better. It's getting worse all the time. So this is something to think about, because ransomware is a huge problem right now, and so many businesses and services, even government services, had to actually pay for the ransomware, the encryption, to get encryption keys for some of the things that got encrypted because of ransomware. So we've got to be careful with that. And we've got to, first of all, educate. And of course, not just educate, but I think a task force that will help is a great idea. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.